No, now you broke it.
Don't touch.
Are you supposed to shake it? Shake it. Don't climb on there. What's on the TV? Dead butterflies. Where'd you get that from?
What the hell is that?
It's the black stuff over there.
What is it?
Whatever that is.
Oh, it smells like shit. Smell it.
Oh. What is it?
You take Haley.
It's whatever this is. Don't show anybody. There's toilets. Wow, look what your sister did. Touching things you're not supposed to touch. Wasn't she?